Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can backup your website and restore it. So let's go to your cPanel. Okay, just go to your cPanel. Here you can see currently I'm in cPanel, and go for the files sections, and here you can see this is the file section, and here you will find backup wizard. So just click here backup wizard, and here you will come to this page, and here you can see we have two options here. One is backup and one is restore. So we can actually backup the website also, and after that we can actually restore the website also. Now if we click here backup, and here you can see we have option here full backup, and here we have partial backup also. I mean, you can actually backup database and other things individually, or if you want full backup, that's the whole project, then you can actually click here full backup. So it will actually take you to this page. Select home directory, okay, and select the email address. Here you can see. And if you don't want to use this email address, then don't want to get notifications, so you just actually check it. Okay, so after that, include integration links may contain external account can you share. Okay, we don't need this now. Just select it, generate backup. Okay, and here you can see full backup in progress, and here you can see once full backup of account has been complete, you will receive an email at address you specified. Now let's go back. Okay, and here you can see it's in progress, right? Let me just download this because it will take too much time. So we have to actually download it like this, and here is the backup file. You can see folder, and now let's say we have this and somehow we actually delete this. Okay, let's go back to the cPanel once again, and now let's go back to the files. Here you can see file manager, and here you can see in the left side we have public HTML. So now let's say accidentally you delete all of them, and now directory is empty. So don't worry, you have the backup now. Now I will show you how you can actually restore your backup file. So just go to the files. Here you can see, first of all you have to go to the cPanel, okay, and then you have to go for the files section, and here we go, and then you have to go for the backup wizard. Okay, just click here backup wizard. And now here you can see we have option here restore. So click here restore, and here you can see this is for individual directory. Here you can see if you go to the first option backup or restore, this is partial. Here you can see we have two options, right? Full backup and select partial backup. So when you actually restore something from here, you can actually restore it partially. Okay, let's say you have home directory only, so you can actually click here home directory, and then you can actually upload specific home directory. But here you can see this is our whole project, right? So we need to actually upload the whole project. So what I have to do, we have to actually go back to the cPanel. Let's go back, and here you have to go for the file section. Here you can see file section, and here we have file manager. So click here file manager, and it will actually take you to the file manager. Here you can see in the left side, if you scroll a little bit down, you will find here a folder called public_html. And here you can see if you click here, the folder is empty because we have deleted accidentally, let's say. Now we can actually upload here. So click here upload and select the file, and this is the file. Now we have to upload it here. And here you can see now 100% done. Now go back to the public HTML, remove extra tabs. Now here you can see this is the file. Now we have to extract it here. So just right click on it and click here extract, and you will find this folder. So make sure this is the root folder. If you find any folder, like slash or anything, you just have to remove all of them, and you have to actually keep only public_html as a root directory. Okay, and then click here extract files, and here we go, all extracted. Right, now let's go back to the public_html. Okay, so this is the problem with GIF format. So this is not in GIF format. Here you can see unipixel.tar, right, .gg. So we have to actually make it GIF. So let's just delete this. We don't need this. Delete it. Let's go back here, and here we just have to remove this, and here we have to actually extract it. So extract all, and extract the file also. And here you can see this is the backup. Okay, so we have to rename it, let's say unipixel, hit enter. Now we need this file. Okay, so just cut it from here and go to a folder where you actually want to keep your file. Just paste it here, and now you can actually zip it. So right click on it, and here you will find the option compress to zip file, and here you can say backup. Now we will upload this file. Okay, so let's just go here in the public underscore HTML. In the left side here you can see the directory is currently empty. Now we will click here upload, and it will take us to the upload page. Now select the file, and this is the file we have to upload. So make sure your file is in zip format, .zip extension. Okay, just click here open, and here we go, 100% done. Now here we will select this folder. I mean, we want to go back to the root folder, and here we go, we have this zip file. Now we have to extract it. Right click on it and click here extract, and it will be extract here, and here you go, we have this, right, and this is the zip file, so delete it.